Hey guys, I'm back with a new set, total Christmas and winter vibes. Let's get started. I'm just showing a quick prep and manicure here. Nothing too detailed. You can find the link up here in the card if you want to check the full manicure tutorial. Just going in with dehydrator and primer. Then a thin layer of base coat, careful not to touch the skin. My nails are super short, so the best way to build length without touching the skin is using a nail form. You don't need to cut or place the form perfectly. Just slide it under the nail like I did. I'm only building a thin, clear base for now, and you'll see why later. Now I'm just building the length I want with builder gel. Nothing crazy, just keeping it simple. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm taking the form off. I'm doing the same thing on the rest of the nails. I'm using a glitter gel polish here. You can go with any color or design you like. I'm placing the rest of the designs while it's still wet. Now I'm going in with the stamper, honestly. It's my favorite for nail art. I picked this winter stamping plate. It's got so many cute snowflakes. I already have a full stamping tutorial on my channel. I'll link it up here in the card. If you're still struggling with stamping, make sure to check it out. You can place the snowflakes however you like. I'm using a mix of small and big ones. Don't worry, the stamping polish comes off the skin really easily. Now I'm adding a bit of white builder gel, just to softly cover a few spots. I'm making sure not to cover the free edge or any of the snowflakes or glitter designs. I'm not rushing it, just moving the brush slowly and letting the gel level out on its own. It looks way more natural this way. I'm doing the same thing on the other two nails. Now I'm moving on to the dual forms. Just like in the previous videos, I'm picking the right size and shape for each dual form. I'm filling them with builder gel, white, for the 2 plain nails, and clear for the 3 with designs. If you want to learn dual forms from scratch, I've got 3 playlists for you. They're all linked up here in the card. Don't miss them. I'm placing it on the nail at the right angle, then curing it. If you need to, make sure to pinch it. It really helps with the shape and makes the nails look more refined. Aha, that sound when you take the form off. Just wiping with cleanser, even underneath. See how easily the stamping polish comes off the skin. To shorten the length, I'm using my paddle disc. It's a 100 grit one. Then I just clean up the side walls with a hand file. Make them nice and even. I've already talked about the right filing angles and details in my basic videos, so I'm just going through this part quickly. Now I'm thinning the free edge from underneath, keeping it around 1 millimeter, like always. While I was thinning underneath, a bit of the design came off. No worries. Since it's clear, I'm just adding a super thin layer of the same gel polish from underneath. Now I'm adding a few more snowflakes. It gives that soft, layered look. After the top coat, I just want to add a tiny crystal right in the center of the snowflakes. That's enough crystals for me. You guys already know I'm not into busy nail art or anything too extra. Look at that. I just love it. It's simple, soft, but still has that classy shine. Tell me what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like if you enjoyed it.